Okay, we are here at the St. Boniface Hospital Foundation office to do the 2021 Mega Million Choices Early Bird Draw. The first draw we'll be doing right now, it is 9:30 on Wednesday, March the 17th. We'll be doing the draw for the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette plus the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe plus the boat, or you have the 2021 Leisure Van plus the e-bikes, or a Bloomin' Timber condo, or $200,000 cash. Amber, can you do the draw? And the winner is Dennis Simcock of Winnipeg. The winning ticket is 4020810. Dennis, congratulations, and we'll be contacting you soon. We have 25 additional winners of 1,000 each, so we will do those as well right now for the early bird, and we'll draw those right now. The 25 winners for the $1,000 each have been drawn. Each winner will be notified in writing of their prize, and congratulations and good luck in the upcoming main draws and the grand prize draw.